Hello my dear students. Today we will discuss about longitudes. In our previous video we discussed about latitudes. Now we will learn about longitudes. So look at the picture. Longitudes are the imaginary line running from north to south, and they also have many. They are like the latitudes of parallels. They are also many. So the only difference, they are changing their distance as they are going to the poles. If you see the lines of longitudes, they are actually they are meeting point at the poles. So the meridians come closer gradually from the equator to the poles. Finally they all meet at the poles. So now let's talk about the longitudes. What is the definition of longitudes? Imaginary lines which running vertically north to south are known as longitudes. So we have lines running north-south direction, and these lines are known as longitudes. Longitudes are also known as meridians. They are also dividing the earth into two hemispheres. One is eastern hemisphere and the other one is western hemisphere. So this is the way the longitudes are dividing the earth into two hemispheres, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. And the longitudes of the lines are going from north to south, and they are dividing the earth how many sphere? Into two hemisphere. What are those two hemisphere? These are eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So all other lines running from the north pole to south pole are called meridians of longitudes. Now these meridian lines are semicircular lines, and two opposite longitudes together will form one big circle. So now how we measure distance of longitudes? Again here also for longitudes we are measure them in degrees and minutes. The measurement of longitudes again it is in degrees. So the value of meridian is followed by the letter E or W. The eastern hemisphere is indicated as letter E and the western hemisphere is indicated as letter W. So totally we have 360 lines that covers the complete circles. So all meridians are of equal length, and the distance between any two meridian is not equal. Actually they had closer from the equator to the poles. So totally there are 360 meridians of longitudes. So many imaginary lines we imagine. What will be the major one? What will be the main one? The main one is prime meridian. And we can see that we have given that the measurement of 0 degree. So what is prime meridian? The meridian which run at 0 degree, the circle passing through Greenwich in Britain and perpendicular to the equator and parallel to the axis is called prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. So now what is the question? What is Greenwich? Greenwich is a place in the United Kingdom near London whose time is used as a standard all over the world. The prime meridian passes through this place, and so it is the place which divides the earth into the eastern and the western hemisphere, 180 degree east and the 180 degree west. So the line at 0 degree longitude is called as Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. So if the prime meridian is 0 degree and the line directly opposite to it is 180 degrees, and this 180 degrees line would known as international dateline with the respect of this prime meridian. And why we called it dateline? Because international dateline shift days and to shift the dates. So this is the only utility of international dateline. So look at the figure. Where is international dateline is here? In this international dateline, this passing all over the from Pacific Ocean. So international dateline do not pass from land, and that is the reason that international dateline passing from ocean. Now why is international dateline is not straight? And why it is changing its shape again and again? So the reason why the international dateline changing its shape again and again. See, it is very important for the international dateline to not cross through any countries of landmass, because international dateline work is to change the date. It is just a reference point by the help of which we will change the date and we will change the day. Like Thursday will become Friday, Friday will become Saturday. So when we go from east to west, and if it is changing the date and day, then obviously if the same international dateline is going to passing through any countries of landmass. So on one place in one country there will be 2 dates and 2 days, which will not be possible. And to make this, the international dateline only pass through the ocean. And that is why this international dateline has been drawn in this fashion. It is not passing through any country's landmass. Majority of international dateline only passing through the ocean. Now, how the date changes? So when we cross the international dateline, the date changes, day changes. So if we are in east of the international dateline, and to the east of the international dateline is 5th of June. So on the west of the international dateline, then it will become 6th June. Now, why this is happening? Because the earth is moving west to east direction. So first eastern hemisphere will come in front of sun, then the western hemisphere will come in front of sun. So obviously the western side is coming in front of after time. So if there is coming after time, so obviously the day will going to change. So this is the reason on the east is 5th June and on the west it is 6th June. Similarly, if on the east the day is Friday, then on the west the day will become Saturday. So this deadline only makes one thing sure, that as we move from east to west, we go one day ahead. That is, if it is first on the east, then it becomes second on the west. And if we go from west to east, then we go one day backward. So if it is 5th on the west, then it becomes fourth on the east. So now we will discuss about comparison of latitudes and longitudes. So now first, what is the difference between latitudes and longitudes? See, the lines of latitudes, they are going from east to west and dividing the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And the longitudes, the lines are going from north to south and they are dividing the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. And next one, the lines of latitudes, the parallel distance between them are equal, always equal, but the distance between longitude lines of longitudes, they are not equal. They are more at the equator and join at the poles. So, and next, east latitudes is a circle and east longitudes is semicircle. And equator is known as 0° latitude, whereas prime meridian is known as 0° longitude.